I will show you how I made $10,303 on YouTube without showing my face and without using my voice, just by using free AI tools. Okay, I will make this video super easy for you guys, step by step, so you can copy my method and start your own faceless YouTube channel and start making money like this. Okay, because I will share with you everything that I do to make my faceless YouTube videos. Okay, as you can see over here, it's $10,303. Okay, and this is how much I make per day. $32, even some days up to $222. Okay, sometimes it dips and sometimes it go up again. $23, $102 when you upload and you get more views, you make a lot of money, as you can see over here. Okay, $75, even here $121. That's a lot of money just from faceless YouTube videos. Okay, so let's get started. So what you need to do first is you need to choose specific and trending topics that people will be interested to watch. Okay, so how we can choose specific and trending topics. What you need to do is you just need to go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, go to your YouTube homepage, click on the search over here and ask questions. So for example, you will ask how to invest, and here you go. YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. So people are searching for how to invest in stocks for beginners, how to invest money, how to invest in real estate, how to invest in stocks, how to invest in cryptocurrency, how to invest in Bitcoin. So if you make a YouTube video about one of those topics, you can get views, get subscribers, you can grow your YouTube channel fast and make money, of course. Okay, so let's choose, for example, I will choose how to invest money. Okay, people are searching for how to invest money. What I will do, I will go to ChatGPT. Okay, if you don't have an account on ChatGPT, go to Google, search for ChatGPT. I'm just using the free version. As you can see, it's for free. You need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Click over here and ask him make an engaging YouTube script about how to invest money. Okay, then I will click over here and here you go. ChatGPT will start creating your YouTube script. So what you need to do next is you need to turn this YouTube script into voiceover, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it. You can use your own voiceover if you want. If you don't want to use your own voiceover, I will show you free AI voiceovers that you can use for free. Okay, here you go. Let's check the title: Smart Money Moves, a beginner's guide to investing for success. This is your introduction. Okay, segment 1: why I invest, why you should invest. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy this YouTube script like this. Okay, then you will go to Google and you need to search for PlayHT. Click on the first link over here and sign up by using your email address. This AI voiceover website will turn your YouTube script into voiceover in high quality and for free, of course. Okay, after you finish, so this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So what you will do, you can click over here on change voice and choose which voiceover you want to use for your faceless YouTube videos. They have a lot of voiceovers: a Canadian voiceover, British voiceovers, Australian voiceovers, American voiceover. So let's check. No-nonsense investigator Tyler Elliott, a far cry from the rules for which he is. You can see.
Dude, I remember, yeah, it's crazy when you look at a 10-year-old, it looks like they're doing nothing, kind of like they're dumb and their neck's getting longer. But then, like, you hear a story like
You see those voiceovers are really in good quality. Okay, so you can choose which voiceover you want to use for your YouTube videos. So I will for me I will choose this one, Joseph. I will keep it like this, then I will put my YouTube script here like this and click over here on generate speech. Okay, so you just need to wait few seconds and your voiceover will be ready. So what we will do next is we will turn this voiceover into an engaging and professional YouTube faceless YouTube video just using free website. Okay, and I'm gonna share with you. So let's see this. My script was recorded, it's ready. Let's check.
Why should you invest? Well, investing is like planting seeds that grow into money trees over time. It's about making your money work for you, generating passive income, and building wealth. Whether it's for retirement, a dream vacation, or financial freedom, invest.
You can see this voiceover. I really like this voiceover. It's like a human voiceover. It's good and a high quality voiceover. What you will do next is you need to click over here on this icon over here, and your voiceover will be downloaded to your laptop. So what you will do next is you will go to Canva. Okay, we will use just Canva to make an engaging and professional video. If you don't have an account on Canva, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you will do, you will need to click over here on video. You can see video over here. Click on video, you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to upload your voiceover to your Canva account. Click over here on upload, click on upload file like this, then upload your voiceover. Okay, so let me see. So this is my voice.
Why should you invest?
Okay, this is my voiceover. Click on open and your voiceover will be over here. Click on your voiceover. Your voiceover will be under this page. Click on add page. Okay, and add more page that will be matched with your voiceover like this. Okay, then click on the first, go to the first page, click between those two pages, click on add transition, choose which transition you want to add between your videos to make your videos more engaging and professional. I'm gonna choose this one. I will make it to 0.3. Click on apply between all page and here you go. Click on the first page, click over here on elements, click on the search for invest, search for invest, okay, or investment. Click on videos. I will choose for example this one. Click on the first video. Your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, set the video as background and click here. Okay, click here. You can swipe right or swipe left, make it short or long. Okay, so I will make it just short like this. Click on the next page. I will use this one over here. 3 point again, set the video as background. I will make it short. I will click on the next page, scroll down. I will use this one over here, set the video as background and use different videos. Okay, I will use this one over here again like this, set the video as background. Next page, scroll down, use this one over here, set the video as background, make it like this, make it short. I will click on the next page, scroll down, and I will use this one, the last one, like this. So make sure to give it time and make your video long. I'm just showing you the method, so you just need to keep using this method. Okay, so let's check this video now and let me know in the comments, guys, what's your opinion about this.
Why should you invest? Well, investing is like planting seeds that grow into money trees over time. It's about making your money work for you, generating passive income and building wealth. Whether it's for retirement, a dream vacation, or financial freedom, investing is a key tool in achieving your financial goals.
And here you go. As you can see, guys, we just made faceless YouTube video about how to invest money for beginners, step by step, easy, without showing my face, without using my voice, using just those free AI tools. Okay, after you finish, click over here on share, click on download. This video will be downloaded to your laptop. Then you can go and start making faceless YouTube videos. Use YouTube search to find trending and interesting topics that people are searching for. Make videos for those people. You will help those people because they are searching for how to invest money. You are giving them ways how they can invest money. Not just this topic, there are a lot of topics on YouTube search. Use it, start your own faceless YouTube channel and be consistent. Give it a try, take action, and so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you, and see you in my next video.